Hey guys, Josh from Dicus Enterprises here. So today we're taking a look at a really cool project that we got here in the shop, or I should say at my house, because that's where we're currently working from with the COVID-19 pandemic. So this one's chilling out here for a little while, and also waiting for the back lot to be cleared to have a personal shop built. But that's a story for a different channel. Now anyway, what we're looking at here is one of our clients' latest projects, and in my opinion, it is cool. Definitely a unique build what we're doing here. So we're going to take this dual horse trailer, and we're actually going to convert it into a mobile rolling bar. So pretty badass. The idea behind it is family reunions, large gatherings, private parties, things of that nature. Just like you would go out and hire, say, a caterer or maybe a barbecue truck to come down and supply food and everything. This is your alcohol supply. Pretty cool. The trailer looks a lot worse than what it actually is, thankfully. A lot of the rust is surface rust. It's not through, it's just some scale, a little bit of mold from sitting out in a field for a while, but nothing too severe, thankfully. It's a really good, solid setup. Dual axle trailer. On the back, we got a fold-down door and top barn doors. We're going to be changing that up a little bit, we think. Not too sure. The client hasn't really decided yet. And it's a nice solid unit here. Good solid floors on it. We got to take the divider out. We're going to cut out this whole front storage section up here. We're going to open all that up for extra room. Don't mind the dump trucks coming by. We have some construction going on right up the road, so it's going to get a little noisy here and there. So these doors, that door, that window, this lower door down here actually accesses that storage area. That's that panel that we're going to cut out. So we're going to open all that up to them, give them a lot more room to work with. We're going to patch that door as well. We're going to patch the old vent windows. We had a plexiglass window here. They haven't decided if they're going to keep that and just frame it out in wood instead to give a little bit of ventilation. These are definitely being sealed off. They haven't decided on the front hatch if we're going to seal that or leave it open for ventilation yet. We're going to seal this. A little bit of rust here. So we do have a little bit of a hole. This is the only one I found on the entire trailer so far. So I'm not going to complain at all. Gonna end up patching that door also. That's just another access door to that lower storage area, and you can see it's got some scale on it, but it's not that thin. There's no actual holes, so we should be able to salvage it really quickly. It shouldn't be all that bad. This door is going away. That window is going away. Once again, the fender, you know, it's actually a relatively newer fender that someone had put on previously and kind of painted and didn't do such a hot job of it. So paint's peeling, but it's still good and solid, definitely salvageable. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. So this is a pretty cool project. I figured I want to give you guys a quick look at it here before we actually start it cutting and tearing it apart too much. That way you could see how it starts off. Their idea behind it is a flip-up window on this side. That way the spare tire won't be there. That window won't be there. Just like a food truck, you'll have a big flip pop-top window right here. And idea, you know, they pull up, drop the trailer, pop this open, pop the back open. They're going to have a bar that when you drop the tail off, they can set up a little seating area around the back. They can set up a little bar right in here and walk-up window service on both sides. Pretty sweet. So I'm looking forward to getting this project done. We're going to be working on this over the next month or so. Now, we're not doing the complete build. We don't do woodwork, we don't do plumbing, we don't do electrical. There's a lot of aspects to this build that we do not do. However, we are doing all the metal and fabrication work on this, which is going to still be a fair amount. So you'll get to see it both at like this and in the midway stage. And then after our client has it completely finished, we're going to try to go back down, take a look at it, take some photos and videos of it, and show you how cool this thing comes out to be. It's really interesting what you can come up with when you put your mind to it and really throw a little creativity at it. So we've got it de-trimmed so far. It was decked out with a lot of stainless steel trim and aluminum paneling. You can still kind of see some of the textured dirt design on the back from how long it had been on there. It had big aluminum panels going all around it. So we're going to have to drill out all those pop rivet holes, tack weld them, and smooth them back out. But all in all, it's a really, really solid start to this build. And it's something that I'm looking forward to. I think it's going to be really cool. So make sure, if you guys are interested in updates on this build and seeing how it comes along, do me a favor, hit the subscribe and like button, and then head on over to our Facebook page and our Instagram page, Dicus Enterprises and Dicus_Enterprises. Give us a like and give us a follow. You guys will get to keep up on this project and other projects that we're doing, along with other stuff that we have going on. So make sure you follow us, keep up on the cool stuff. Until we see you guys next time, enjoy the weather and have fun. Stay safe, guys.